आम आदमी पक्ष हो एकमेव पक्ष दिल्लीन आसा जंय एकूय आमदारान पक्ष बदलिल्लो ना. मात गोंयांत तशेंच हेर राज्यांत काँग्रेस पक्ष बदलत आसा. गोंयांतय काँग्रेस भाजपा बरोबर सेटिंगां करता म्हण दिल्लीची आमदार अतिशी उलयल्या. RDX ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Defection is the biggest it's a scourge in Goa. And your party has taken a step of getting signatures of signing affidavits from the candidates. Do you think that will suffice for your candidates if they get elected not to jump over or cross over?
देखिए, आम आदमी
Does
पार्टी
it have a legal standing, that affidavit?
आम आदमी पार्टी is the only party in India where not a single MLA defected in Delhi from the BJP, from Aam Aadmi Party to BJP.
That is because you have a huge majority.
Every MLA had cases against them. Income tax, enforcement directorate, CBI, Delhi police. Irrespective of all of that, money being offered. We even have stings of money being offered to our MLAs. But Aam Aadmi Party is the only party where MLAs did not defect. Even when we had 28 MLAs and we formed a minority government, even when we had a full majority, Aam Aadmi Party did not defect. If you look at Congress Party, Congress not just in Goa but wherever you elect Congress MLAs, they go into the BJP and get the BJP government made. In Goa they have done it, in Madhya Pradesh they have done it, in Karnataka they have done it, in Manipur they have done it. It's the same story. And that is the reason why change is needed.
No, but that doesn't answer my question. But will this suffice?
See, this is Aam Aadmi Party's promise. See, if you elect Congress and BJP, it is assured that they will defect.
Right now, before the election, the setting has been done. Take a case of MAPSA. We have got a Congress candidate who was BJP for last 20 years. Michael, who is forming a group, forming a gang rather. He was with the BJP as a minister, and just at the 9th he shifted to Congress. So these are all deals start. He's investing a lot of money, and once the deal is done, he'll definitely shift over to BJP. There's no secret in that. Whereas Aam Aadmi Party is talking about people's issue really. They are talking on the ground.